Hello friends, today we are going to find square root of given number. Okay, the question is given an integer n, find the square root of n. If n is not a perfect square root, then print the floor of square root of n. Do it without square root function. Okay, the floor of square root of n means what? If the n is given as 30, the 30 is not perfect square of any number. So to take the square root of that 30 number, the nearest perfect square root is 5 of 25. So 25 is nearest to the 30, so the floor of square root of 30 is 5. Okay, now let's code it. We can do this with a loop starting from 1 to n and check each number that it is a square root of that given number or not. It will take time of big O n, but we can do this in a big O log n time. To do this, we can use the mechanism of binary search. So let's do it. We'll take n, scene, sorry, n. We'll need variables, some variables. Let's take those also. Let's start equal to 0, end equal to n, and then mid. Okay, we'll loop. Now it will be all the time true. We'll break from with the condition from this loop. Okay, now we'll take the mid, start plus end by 2 if start is greater than equal to end, or mid equal to start, or mid equal to end, then break. Here mid equal to start or mid equal to end, I took this because when the n is not having perfect square root, then somehow start and end, start will be less than end, but start or end will be repeating the values with the mid. So to break from that, I use this condition. Okay, now the main condition is mid into mid that is equal to n. If it is, then break. If it is not, then let's check that mid into mid is greater than n. If it is, let's take end equal to n, and if it is not, else start equal to mid. Sorry, my mistake. Here I should write mid. Okay, now we'll just print the mid. Okay, it's look good. Okay. We'll check now. Okay, the square root of 25 is 5, so the answer must be 5, and it will be 5. The condition test case is pass. You can see that 5 is written here. Okay, we'll check for another. Okay, it says 30, and here the 30 is not having a perfect square root, so the floor of square root of 30 will be 5. So let's check it. You can see the test case is pass. So let's check another number. Let's say take 10. So the nearest perfect square is 3 for the n. That will be 3 square is 9, and that 9 is nearest to the 10. So here is 3. The answer must be 3. You can see the test case is pass. So thank you guys.